Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and this is the review and walkthrough of my Pelsee P1 Pro dashcam I've had installed in my X3. Let's get started. All right, y'all, so I've had the P1 Pro installed in my X3 here for the last couple of months. And I wanted to give you a walkthrough of the phone app and some of the features and functions that we didn't do during the install video. And then while we do that, just an overall review of the dash cam. So let's get started. Let's jump into the car. Let's take a look at what the app looks like and walk through some of the basics. All right, also connected here to the Wi-Fi off the camera. And a couple of things right off. So first of all, you can go into storage. You can look at the available files. I actually hadn't looked since I had installed, and I had 88 files. Just a bit much. So I'm going to cut down on my loop size and some of the other things that we've got going to save on file size a little bit. The one thing I really love about this is your ability to flip back and forth between the front camera and the rear camera. Of course, you can also go full screen if you wanted to, which is really nice. So as we look at this, I want to look at the camera settings. Really straightforward. There's not a lot to change here. Sound recording, I want that on. So in cabin, video resolution, 4K to the front, 1080p to the rear. The loop duration I had set to 5 minutes. I'm going to cut that down to 3 minutes. I think that that's going to be more than enough. That's going to save on file size and storage card size. I can always put a larger SD card in the camera if I wanted to. Time watermark, of course, that seems very important. Make sure I have a timestamp on a video if I need it. I'm here in the US, so miles per hour. I have my collision detection both for driving and parking set to medium. And as a reminder, the camera is hardwired, so it will have parking detection. I want to be able to have that picked up. I've had a car hit while it's parked. It really kind of sucked. So you can set your frame rate for time-lapse video and how long you want that recording to go. So 1 frame per second is the most efficient. It's going to save the most amount. When I look at this, you can set how long you want it to record. You can potentially set for 24 hours. So 1 frame per second for 24 hours. So I'm going to set that so I can catch anything while parking. You've got your Wi-Fi name and password. You can change both of those. Not a bad idea because they're still set to default for me. And then of course firmware version, and you can format your SD card. But all in all, this has been a great camera. It's just worked. I've just got it installed. It's worked really, really well. And in most cases, I view a dash cam as kind of fire and forget. If it's set up properly and set up well, then it's going to work when you need it to, and you're not going to see it. Now, on that note, again, if you look at my install video, I installed it all the way back behind the mirror, right? So I couldn't see it while driving. As you can see my perspective while I drive, I don't see my camera, which is really, really nice. Okay, so my review of this is very positive. The camera's worked great since I had installed it a couple of months ago. The app is really straightforward, works fine, and it's going to do what I need to do if I ever need dash cam video, and I hope I don't. I view it like insurance. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to set up the phone app exactly how you want it to be, and you should be good to go. All right, y'all, all done, and this really is a very quick review. The phone app is very, very simple, works very well. The camera's been in for a couple of months and works great. And I view dash cams almost like a utility now. We really kind of need them. We've all seen the crazy videos. We've all seen those things happen. And for me, it's like you hope you never need it. I view it much like insurance, right? You never want to call on it. You never want to have to pull that up. But that one time that you did have it because something happened, it could be absolutely invaluable in your situation to help support what happened or what happened to your vehicle. So definitely take a look at it. Make sure to check out my install video that walks you through the entire installation process of the front and rear camera. It's really straightforward. And I appreciate you watching the review here since we've had it in for the last couple of months. Please make sure to click like and subscribe as well. I would really appreciate it. It truly makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.